how to reset PIN for Encrypt Offline Location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, tap on your account profile. Then we scroll down and tap on Samsung Find. In here, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and then tap on Encrypt Offline Location. In here, tap on Reset PIN, then tap on OK. Now put in your account password. So put in the account password, and then in here, we can now enter in the PIN. Then tap on Continue. So as here, you will use this PIN to decrypt your phone's offline location. So put in the same PIN again to confirm, then tap on the Confirm button. And that's it. So that is how you can reset your Encrypt Offline Location PIN. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.